What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Well, I got a new truck. I traded off the Dodge, and I have a 2019 F250, and this is a XLT model. So, yeah, here's the little bit of an introduction, that kind of thing. But on today's video, we already have mods for it. I'm not going to be modding this truck out too much too soon, but one of the things that I really liked on these trucks was the Platinum trucks had a really good looking grill. But I mean, just to be honest, I couldn't afford a Platinum, so I just kind of settled for an XLT. And when I mean like the price difference is very substantial. If you've looked at these trucks, and you know, and I figured, heck, I'll just buy me a Platinum grill later on. So found this website. That's actually not the website. 7 Blacksmith. I don't know what that is, but anyway, I'll put the link down below if you're interested. I got it on Amazon. They sell them there, and it's a Platinum look-alike grill. It's not an OEM grill, because the OEM grills were like $1,500, and these I think were like $300. So we'll see how it looks, see if it looks better, and see if it looks like the grill I wanted. If not, then I'll be keeping my XLT grill. So yeah, let me pop this open. All right, so I have it unwrapped. Here's the back side, and this was one of the reasons why I ended up picking this grill over. There were some cheaper options for like look-alike or Platinum style grills, but this one comes with all of the factory clips already pre-installed, so you don't have to take them out or try to finagle them out of the stock bumper. So that's actually really nice. So once I get the other one out, see, it's got the clips up here too. This one should be a direct drop-in and clip-in replacement. And then just looking at the front side there, yep, looks really good. So this is what I was looking for. The Platinum style has like this honeycomb, and then it has the chrome that goes to the sides, and then the chrome bars down here. So I've seen where people put LED lights behind those, that kind of thing. Yeah, so you can see the difference. The XLT has no chrome up top. The chrome doesn't go all the way to the sides, and it's not honeycomb in the middle. Yeah, so maybe not a big difference to other people, but I feel like this grill looks really, really good on these body trucks. And I guess I'll do a side-by-side afterwards. All right, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. A Platinum style grill on an XLT. It mounted up pretty good. To change it, if you're wondering, you got to take off all these little push pins to get this header panel, or I don't know what you want to call it, off, this cover off. And then you see these bolts right here. My camera can see them. Yeah, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then I think 8 bolts. You take all those bolts off the top, and then you literally just grab the old grill and shimmy it up and down as you're pulling, because all that's holding it in the middle and the bottom are those clips. I got the middle clips out pretty good. Some of the bottom clips, 2 of them didn't want to release, so I had to like pry the grill open and go down in there and just push on them with a flathead, and then it just popped right out. The new grill literally just pops in, you bolt it down on the top, you put your cover back on, and it's done, ladies and gentlemen. That's all there is to it. All right, there it is, guys. I pulled the truck up because it was in the sun earlier, and like it was super shiny and kind of hard to see. But yeah, this grill turned out really, really nice. It is a little bit different than the OEM Platinum grill. I feel like the OEM Platinum grill, like in these sections right here, isn't completely chrome like a mirror. It's like a off-white, or not off-white, but a off chrome, I guess, maybe like a silver. But yeah, I guess that kind of works for the fact that I have like a fully chrome bumper. I am looking at probably potentially swapping the bumper out with the one that has fog lights. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you have one of these 2017 through 2019 trucks and you're looking to swap the grill out, though, I'll put the link down below. Not sponsored by them or anything like that. So yeah, if they don't send you one that's good. I saw that some people were getting grills that were smashed up in shipping, but they seem to be, the company seems pretty good on returns, because they do sell through Amazon. So that's always good. But yeah, I'm happy with it. So yeah, there it is. I mean, I'm super surprised it just went in that easy. And for everybody else that has not actually seen the truck, it is a 4-door, and it is the 7-foot bed model. Not the long bed, but not the, I guess, I don't know if they have a short bed anymore, but yeah, I've been happy with the truck. It just clicked over 20,000 miles. It's the 6.7 liter diesel, all stock. Probably gonna leave most of it stock for now. It does have cloth seats. I'm probably gonna get those rewrapped, but yeah. So later guys, have a good one. Adios.